Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a bit of a street riding at one of my local spots again, because I've been really hyped on street riding recently. I do know of a good place where I can learn new tricks, so in coming up videos we will be learning new tricks again. But for today, as I said, we're going to be doing a bit of street riding, but we're also going to be doing a review / bike check of what I'm riding, and yeah, hope you enjoy. Alright, so first bit of bike review. I'm going to start off at the cockpit and then obviously work my way down to the rear. So for the bars, I'm running the NS ones. I think they're just stock. I can't think of the name of it other than NS bars. The 760 wide standard, and then I'm running the hold fast grips. As you can see, fast there, hold is there. They're really good, really grippy, like waffle effect, so they're really good. Other than in the wet, when they get wet they are really slippy, so yeah, not very good at that. Then I've got the stem, the Stay True stem, top cap and everything. I believe it's 35mm load on that, front load as well. Then I've got the Tektro brake cable, not hydraulic. I will be upgrading to hydraulic soon. Got it on the wrong side, but you can see a bit there, not all of it. Yeah, so then forks, I'm running the SR Suntour XCM 30. They're coil, not air, which is a bit of a shame, but because they're quite soft. Originally came with the V-brakes, but I took them off. And yeah, so we're going with the Schwalbe Billy Bonker tyres, as you might have seen in a previous video. And I'm running the original NS hubs and rim currently, but I will be swapping this out very soon because the bearings are starting to shoot, so they're wobbling. So now onto the frame. We've got the NS Zircus 2020. It's made out of aluminium. The whole bike weighs 12.4 kilos when it was had the front brake on as well, so it's probably running at like 12.3, 12.2, maybe somewhere around there. The seat has seen better days, but it's the stock NF seat, very comfortable. Highly recommend if you want to get a seat, look into that one, very comfy. Then we're also, the rear, we're running the same Schwalbe Billy Bonkers 26x2.1, but we're running the Halo Chaos rim and wheel with the Super Drive hub, which sounds amazing, and I'll give you a little sound check with that in a minute. And I've got the Buckloss crank set. I recently put that on today because my old one's broke, thread in there, in this bit all stripped out, so I had to replace them. So these are first to ride on today, and they're 170mm long. The sprocket is 32 at the front and the rear is 9. I want to swap the 9 to a 14 just so it's easier to pedal, because right now it's in like a very high gear. And then we've got the DMR Volt V2s in jet fuel colour. They've lost their effect a little bit, you can see a bit better on this one.
What's the other way?
My knee! That was commitment though. Slash, I couldn't get my feet off.
I love a blooper.
Well, that's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed the bike check and little few tricks. I need to learn more tricks I can do more at these spots. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like on the video, subscribe for more, leave a comment below, and until next time, I'll see you then.